P is an important component in the plant's growth, particularly early season growth in terms of root development. The phosphorus needs to be in the solution form for the plants to actually take it up, but we also have slow release pools and faster release pools of P. The rate at which these pools will release phosphorus into each other is basically related to the compounds like calcium phosphate, which are easily and fairly quickly formed within the soil, particularly in these calcium dominant vertisols in which our cotton's largely grown. The faster release pools are generally measured by our Colwell P soil test method, and the slower release pools using the BSESP method. When we apply P as fertiliser in a season, we're assuming that we're applying it to get a result in that particular season. In fact, the fertiliser P that we're applying is in part being supplied to the plant in solution form, but it's largely actually going into that slower release pool, forming that calcium phosphate compound and also other potential compounds within the soil. So it's actually going into the slower release pool and then into the faster release pool and then into solution for the plants to take it up. So the applied P fertiliser that we're putting on, it's a maintenance type program rather than an application to get a response in the same season. There's a complex range of interactions that are happening within the soil. We need to use all of the tools that are available to us to monitor our plant P status and certainly our soil P scenario as well. Tissue testing is a very valid and a well recognised method of being able to measure plant phosphorus status. Cotton doesn't find bands of phosphorus very easily in the soil, and so we need to treat the largest volume of soil with phosphorus as we can, and preferably to depth. We just need to understand that the phosphorus that we're applying in this particular season is feeding largely the resource pool, the background soil P levels, may not necessarily be giving us a response in this particular season always. And we also have to bear in mind that when we end up in a P deficient situation, there's probably not a quick fix available to us to get ourselves back on track.